Gũkũ nĩko Kikuyu podcast. Mũthenya wa mũico hingo Rigathi wa Gachagua ahagũragwo kũrĩa Senate. Senator wa Nyandarua Kaba Methu nĩaririe mĩario yarĩ mĩritũ mũno. Mĩario ĩno arongoreirie president na andũ arĩa matũmĩkire ku impeach Rigathi wa Gachagua thĩinĩ wa bunge na Senate. Methu aririe ta prophet, no nĩ kaũndũ onete na mbere. And what he said, guys, today, ogwo nĩguo kũrĩ. Methu augire ogwo. Kana Methu augire o. Mr. President, this divorce you are looking for, you shall get it. But it will be very painful, it will be hurting, and it will have casualties. Mwanyita, this divorce you are looking for must go. You shall get it. At the divorce ino uramietha ni ukumiona na niakimionire. But it will be very hurting, it will be very painful, and it will have casualties. Casualties ashioi mehotha ici, of course. Ruo Methu aragiria akana aragia hingo oi riho, of course. Kwena andu mahatitwo because he said this divorce will be very hurting. Of course, kwena andu maragera ruo, they're being hurt because of this divorce. Ino video ya Methu ninde munige tukene muno musubscribe na channel ino ya Kikuyu podcast tugithikira video no then niguka tutablokie uhoro uyu.
This divorce that the president is looking for, you shall get it, but it will be painful, it will be hurtful, it will be catastrophic, it will have casualties. At the final vote that will be casted today, we might be the first casualties. But the casualties of today are not necessarily the casualties of tomorrow. And out of the vote that shall be taken, I'm speaking to our partners in the coalition and the other people who are here from ODM and the other parties. This vote that you shall take today, it is not in vain that the senator for Nyandarua, it is not in vain that the senator for Kiambu, it is not in vain that the senator for Muranga, it is not in vain that the senator for Laikipia, it is not in vain that the senator for Kirinyaga, with strict instructions from the people who elected this government, have told them to come and oppose the motion that is on this floor of the House. Honorable Speaker, I'm being disrupted. The point that I wanted to make is, it is not in vain that we have been instructed not to sanction this divorce. But if it comes, we shall take it in our strides. I want to tell the people who are here, the vote that you shall cast here, we shall not put it in our minds. We shall put it in our hearts. The people of the region that I have mentioned are at their lowest. We are calling on the senators who are here. It is time to stand with us. Finally,
guys, ucio ni Senator Methu kuma Nyandarua. Na maundu maria aririe hingo yo, as we speak, ni mieri ta inana kuma hingo Rigathi wa Gachagua aimpeachirwo kuria thiini wa Senate na horo cio ugithirira hau. But the divorce that divorce kana ndigano iyo must go. Mr. One Term ethire thaici nieriraga muno niki aimpeachire Rigathi wa Gachagua. The moment aimpeachire Rigathi wa Gachagua nio popularity yake yathire thi. Of course kuna maundu ekite matari mega hau mbere, no after ku impeach Rigathi wa Gachagua niguo gwathukania makiria. Namba igiri akiuga this divorce will be very painful, it will be very hurting, and it will have casualties. Divorce hiyo methire, it's painful, it's hurting. Niki Rigathi wa Gachagua uyu oi nieri aigirite kirato kia opposition. Must go ameririe Raila agiciria gutigakorwo na mundu ungi ugakorwo thĩinĩ wa opposition strong ta Raila Odinga. But Rigathi Gachagua has proved he's even more strong gukira Raila. Niki maundu mari mothe akohetwo akiaria na hau mbere ni mokite kuhinga. It's hurting because Rigathi wa Gachagua augite ni one term na thaici kila mukenya ungiuria uti mukenya utaramenya uhoro wa one term. So it's hurting, it's painful. As we speak, Rigathi wa Gachagua maugite ati ni wiki igiri athire, but he's getting momentum, he's more powerful, he's more popular than Kinara himself. as we speak, Rigathi wa Gachagua is more popular than Kinara himself. Andu makiaria na matiraria uhoro wa Kinara must go Mr. Wanta maria uhoro wa Rigathi wa Gachagua. Rigathi wa Gachagua githi live zake live ya Gachagua igikirwo haha, live ya Kinara ikirwo haha, ya Gachagua igukona more viewers than live ya Kinara. Niki tondu uyu ni aratamburikana makiria, exciting him because exciting Kinara because Rigathi wa Gachagua riu athiungukite Kenya yothe akahota kurehe united opposition hamwe. Mundu ti Kalonzo Musyoka, Eugene Wamalwa na Tembea no kuingira ho, Martha Karua na Matiang'i makaingira hamwe to fight this must go. They are all united because mostly ni ndo Rigathi wa Gachagua tondu ni ambirie momentum ino ya go fight eno regime ategwitigira makiingira ho. This divorce will have casualties, of course. 2027 is there. Na bemwe casualties ni hao. Mount Kenya mundu wothe wethaini wa must go is a casualty. Must go ni casualty na bemwe. Tondu ucio 2027 God willing ni agakorwo mbere kuinuka. Akinuka uguo abunge especially akuma Mount Kenya, governors agikwena mundu ra mo support, senators, women rep, MCAs ama mo support, especially kuma kishigo kia Mount Kenya. Most of them they will go home. Those are casualties. Woka Nairobi mundu ta Sakaja akainuka tene. Reke tuge thini wa Kenya othe mundu wothe ukegiritithania na must go ni akainuka. Those are casualties aria mundu ugwitwo methu aragia. And we can see tondu andu acio ona warora kuria mari abunge, kuria mari senators matire na popularity, matire na ground drametikira. Those are casualties. Mabie kodo matirendekana agi makaugererio. Casualty number 2 is Raila Amolo Odinga. Raila is casualty of this tondu kuma aigera thiini wa thirikari ino ni atete ground yake kuria guothe ari na usemi munene. Even Raila Amolo Odinga himself is a casualty ya impeach Rigathi wa Gachagua, because now Rigathi wa Gachagua aigerire maguru-ini make kana kiratu-ini giake gia uko opposition leader. Rigathi wa Gachagua aigira kiratu-ini giake, ground nayo ya Raila ikiambe go shift kahora githi gitire nake ikamba litire nake. Gwathi kule Western bado hako pamoja na yeye, wathi kule Coast me 50-50, wathi Mathaini bado wameanza kutoka kwa sidi ya Raila. Raila is casualty. Kinara a casualty number 1. Raila is casualty number 2. Niki data burikana. In fact, onaria thaici andu matiramuthikiriria. Methu spoke about it and it has come to happen. Mundu moyo mothe mekikite niki niko impeach Rigathi wa Gachagua, and they were told this divorce you are looking for, you shall get it, but it will be very painful, it will be hurting, and it will have casualties. And casualties ni tasio. You will see twagira thini wa githurano kia mwaka wa 2027. You see the casualties themselves. Nene kono le gwothe gwathie. Maundu magakorwo metiki muno na maundu magakorwo me marito muno, ladies and gentlemen. Guku ni kwa podcast. Moni manyu ni mariko no de muri atiriri. Mieri yo methu aririe. Ogiuga ati oro hayo. Aririe ta prophet. Na maundu macio mothe aririe ni turamwona thaici. Iyo video ndimethakite maita maingi muno. Ni video irahutia ngoro ya mundu by the way. Ni undu wa maundu macio methu aririe. Guku ni kwa podcast. Moni manyu ni mariko inyue murona atia. Thank you. God bless you.